Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting, luxurious, and powerful machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into a motorhome that doesn't just redefine travel, it redefines luxury itself. Get ready to meet the 2026 Prevost luxury motorhome, the ultimate road yacht built for those who demand the best wherever they go. From the outside, the 2026 Prevost stuns with its modern, sleek design. Built on Prevost's proven coach chassis, it has that signature blend of strength, aerodynamics, and elegance. The body features flush windows, high-gloss paint, and integrated LED lighting that gives it a futuristic vibe, even when it's standing still. The massive panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road, and with adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system, it drives smoother than ever before. But it's the inside where the magic really happens. Step into the 2026 Prevost, and you're transported into a 5-star suite on wheels. Every inch of the cabin is crafted with premium materials, from imported Italian leather seating to handcrafted walnut cabinetry. The living area features motorized reclining sofas, a 65-inch 4K OLED smart TV, ambient lighting, and a full touchscreen control system that syncs with your smartphone or voice commands. The kitchen is a gourmet's dream. You get a full-size stainless steel fridge, induction cooktops, a built-in espresso machine, and solid surface countertops with underlighting. There's even a hidden wine cooler and extendable dining table, turning your travel stop into a luxury dinner party. As for the bedroom, this isn't just a place to sleep, it's a retreat. You get a king-size memory foam bed, smart climate control, blackout shades, and personal entertainment systems built into the walls. There's also a walk-in closet with cedar lining and a washer-dryer combo discreetly tucked away. And the bathroom? It's next level. Dual vanities, a rainfall shower with adjustable LED mood lighting, a heated toilet seat, and marble flooring. It all feels like a high-end hotel, not a moving vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost is powered by a robust Volvo D13 engine, delivering reliable torque and smooth acceleration. The ride quality is incredible thanks to the advanced suspension system and noise insulation. Whether you're cruising the Rockies or gliding along the coast, it's like floating on air. Prevost has also made big strides in sustainability. The 2026 model comes with solar roof panels, lithium-ion battery packs for silent overnight power, and a grey-water recycling system to reduce waste. It's built for long-haul comfort without compromising eco-friendliness. Now, let's talk price. This masterpiece starts well above the $1 million mark, and rightfully so. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Perfect for celebrities, CEOs, or those who simply refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. So if you dream of living large on the open road, the 2026 Prevost luxury motorhome is the ultimate expression of freedom and refinement. That's it for today's tour. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury rides and powerful machines right here on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one.